Hello there everyone, this is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. In this tutorial video, we will learn how to write a C palindrome program that will ask the user to give a string, and then our program will check if the given string is a palindrome or not. When we say a given word is a palindrome, it means that when we read forward and backward, the pronunciation and then the spelling of the word is the same. Examples of word palindromes are radar, ana, string, ana and ama. So before we start, if you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. So let's get started. So we are here in our dev C++ 5.11 environment. So I will start writing the code. Sharp include stdio.h, the library file for input output, and then we have also here sharp include string.h. So we have your int main. So we have your car A, let's say for example 100, and then B, and then 100, the size of our character array. Character variable A is 100, and then B 100. So we have here printf, new line, printf, horizontal tab T, palindrome. Let's say for example we have here string palindrome in C. This is the title of our program. Semicolon, new line, printf, \t, give a string. Gets A, semicolon, sorry. So we are using a function that belongs to our string.h, strcp or string copy B and A. Next line, strrev or string reverse B. So if strcmp or string compare A comma B equals 0, meaning they are the same, begin printf. The given string is a palindrome, semicolon, else begin, we have to copy, is not a palindrome. Okay, so copy paste, that's the end of program. After we have done writing the code, let us save, Ctrl S. Let us rename this file palindrome in C. Okay, palindrome.c. Okay, so after we are through, let us recall we declare a library file for input output in string manipulation functions, statement, variable declaration, The title of our program, string palindrome in C, here line 11 and 12, asking the user to give a string. We are using this function to copy and reverse the string in line 14 and 15, and then we have here the comparison, checking whether the given string is a palindrome or not in line 18 to 22. And then from line 24, end of the program, that tells the user that the program has already been ended. So let us compile and run. Excuse me. Okay, so let's say for example radar. The given string is a palindrome, correct, and a program \t \t. Okay, compile and run again. Ana, string palindrome in C, give a string. Ana, the given string is a palindrome and a program. Another example, when we run again, let's say for example car. If we reverse read, the word car will be rock. So the given string is not a palindrome. We have also the word string palindrome in C, give a string. We have here Bob. So the given string is a palindrome, the word Bob. Here we go guys, we have already finished writing a string palindrome program in C programming language. Before we end, if you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. Thank you very much guys for watching. This is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, says until to the next video tutorial. Bye bye for now.